How to make a live music video from your bedroom in 90 seconds or less. So there's 3 things you're gonna need. Number 1, a camera. I'm gonna go ahead for simplicity and use my iPhone. Number 2, an external audio recorder. Something like this, or if you have a USB microphone with recording software, you can use that instead. And number 3, a video editor to put everything together. So once you've got everything, you wanna find a cool spot in your room and bring in as much light as you can. If there's a window, use it. When you set up your shot, you want to make sure that there's not too much dead space on the left side or the right side, or you might have something that looks a little awkward like this. Next, you want to quiet the room, get your audio recorder, place it about halfway between your voice and the instrument, about 1 foot away. Don't forget to check the levels for peaking and adjust the mic to find the sweet spot and balance between your vocal and instrument. Hit record and give it your all. When you're done, you want to bring the audio into your editor and match it up with the video that you took. Add some basic EQ, compression, and a little bit of reverb, and you should get something like this.
It started off as a good thing, sure thing you held back, but I know in the moment our lips touched the
Do you want to take it to the next level by adding movement or multi-track recording? Check out my blog link below. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification button down below, and I'll catch you next time.